Hi, hello, welcome back to Shortcut. Today I'm going to tell you a video FX Pro is a online like a video editing like you can make great videos with the help of this software. This the is a capture attention like never before, like a brand new hybrid animation in second that will get you 10x more clicks and leads and sales on your social media, YouTube for YouTubers, social media marketers, for online make for to making a Facebook post like for making a content or YouTube channel of a lot of more animation, ready-made animation. You can what you have to just you have to drag and drop. You can by doing drag and drop, you, you can do great works with the help of this videos effects. So if with this video effects, we have so many features like a for example, like a stunning, like a brand new stunning hybrid animation for massive base. Like a, if you are a digital marketer, or if you are a blogger, if you are a YouTuber, first thing you have to use this video effects post software like a tool. This to help you to reduce your working time. Like a, if you are using Photoshop like that, it will take so much time for creating any animation. That one by using these effects, where you can easily like a within without wasting more time, you can by using drag and drop we can create the animations lens animation intro videos outro videos and some graphics to your videos as same is like a it's like 100% free organic viral traffic on demand like a montage you visitors for recording breaking engagement get you more click to incredible profit a constant fast consuming getting a system like if you are getting a, you can work so fast with this tool like you can base you can create a eye catchy eye popping videos or templates, Facebook posts and everything like Instagram posts. You can base eye popping like when anyone see your ad like a Facebook poster, they used to click your post and you will get a lead. Like in this way, you can create a great design by using this FX Pro, like a video FX Pro. In some feature, I'm going to explain more about this video in the like a it can be installed in Mac, Windows, Chrome OS, anywhere. Like a very simple, you can get hybrid animation. Get hybrid animation less than 39 seconds to massive profit in three easy steps. In here we have three easy steps: step one, step two, step. In step one, what you're doing is adding some text to your video footage, everything. Here's the first step for hybrid animation campaign, and in step two, we're adding a some animation like a star features some features to your image. In first we added some text and buttons to your video, and in step three like eye popping special effects to your video as to video or image. And step three you are adding a bank profit per faster like a add by seeing anyone seeing they used to click this image, and by clicking image you will get a lead or sale of a business. There are so many, you will be thrilled so many users are giving a best review over there like a Dr. Roger Smith, like Chris Witter, Matt Martin, and David Pro. Getting a massive sales by using the help of this software, you can create a great by seeing this Instagram wall image like a freshly brewed coffee. Try it now. They're creating a button. So you click this button, it automatically redirect to your landing page. You automatically will get a sale, like you're getting massive sale. It is full of customers. Like the photo you post on Facebook is sitting among the other 30 million that goes posted today. That Instagram video shared in 95 millions other videos that got published today. This is the greatness of this tool. Uh, i- these are some of the images and like a post created with the help of this video effects pro like a 5.3 million traffic loophole like a 2.4 billion people use Facebook every month among this, you can if you are a Facebook marketer or you, Google Google has like ads you can this tool will help you a lot. If you are Facebook, if you want to promote any affiliation marketing, this is the best way to use for paid promotion. 2.4 billion people, you are the comes first. These quotations best to use. Like these are you can by using this help of this you can create a YouTube videos, Instagram post, Facebook post like images for your all social networks with the most amazing great animations. These are the few things about this process, like imaging, drawing attention like this. You can add so many features, like ready-made features, like so many you can add with this tool. Breaking rules like a business development strategy. These are some of the animations done with this software. Like coming to this, some of the videos you want to watch, you can watch it like a video, photo hybrid. In video, if you want to watch like a Saturday Night Fever, here is one board, but three of the summer is in photo. Like in photo, we have a sticky photo. We don't have any animation here. In hybrid, we have one fever, like a left side we have Saturday Night Fever at tech button, and right side this this like a this silver ball is rotating front and back. This is a light hybrid animation. This is a video. If you click it, it will play. Don't get left behind like of Coca-Cola, Netflix, Mrs. Starbucks, Commander Dash, and continue to grow at the starting. The hypnotic captive attention and boost engagement like never before, especially when you add special effects. When if you try to look away, it's impossible. You can thank Marvel domination of the movie world. Everyone loves special effects because your eyes are designed to detect any unusual things. These are great image post like a some animation like a hybrid effect to the like a close in like a some adding some text. These are done with the help of these video effects. You can work as a freelancer by using this software. You can create a great content and and make more money with the help of this software. There's 100% more engagement, 1% more clicks, 3 times % more more sales compared to using a Photoshop, Premiere Pro. These tools they give you they are great tools, but you have to spend so much time to purchase these tools for using. They will charge you a lump sum amount for huge amount like a million, 100 to $100 depend upon package. uh, all these things with all if you are beginner, if you want to make great products like a design posting by using this software, buying this software, you can create design posters for YouTube channel, for social networks. You can manage any show. If you become a like a social media manager, like if you're a Facebook manager, Instagram manager, Google Ads manager, you can make lump sum amount by creating great designs for your customers. How we can get the buyer effortless, like with you can effortlessly create a total unique eye-popping animation on us, like how we can the purest of them. This software is like it was automatically filling the glass. This thing, this situation catches the eye. So customers by seeing that they feel that it was there is something interesting in your post, so they can click you and you will get a one conversation like this. If you're getting any paid ads, this will create a more conversion to regular post. Like imagine in 39 seconds rather than spending 10 hours learning about a software like powerful engagement, like a cutting edge winning customer attention. Video effects Pro. Here is some of the alternatives like a attractive, engaging hybrid animation, 100% free, viral, organic SEO traffic. Absolutely zero graphics or technical skill required to start to use it. Like a newbie friends point click technology, you can easily use it, no outsourcing for or employing needed. And for using this one, it doesn't require any employee. You can use very easy to use software like accessibility anytime, anywhere, 24 by 7. Like state of this art software allows you to create a cutting edge hypnotic visual experience without the need of expensive design program software. Like these some of the basic hybrid tools creating is not about destination, it's about the journey. By you once try this thing, you can so you will feel so happy by managing your social media networking site, promotion, brands. If you are in previously we have just the only text, plain image. In plain top of that we have this text. Now we are having a hybrid animation on this backside of this image, like your clouds are moving here, globe was moving here, traffic is moving here. Yeah, also behind if you traffic is moving, it will attract compared to normal regular post. The sizzles of the cheating customers is here. Before you visit, visitor listening, ready to watch your message, your hybrid animation get their attention. You automatically get compelling, authority, credible because no one else doing. Like a three easy steps to eye-popping control. Ready, select your YouTube video, own one of the library directly inside the dashboard, zero audition, video technical skills required. And after uploading video, like a hybrid animation, add special effects elements you call a action hit render. And third one is go. After doing all this, like a video effects pro animation is ready to get a notice in whole new way, magnetically engage visitors, so you can get results with beauty they simply cannot ignore. Like this, the like eye popping is one guy is moving front and back, so automatically customers customers attract to this type of ads and posts. And refreshing hybrid animation 39 second, how easy and fast you can get the results by using this tool. Breaking things animation that demand attention instant, get customers all platform profile and things like a in this we have a features like a forget or text spending uh, 10,000 hours figuring the out doing work manually, forget hiring expensive designers, videographer, editors, and program, forget outsourcing cost monthly fee. It was saving a lot of money you can do personally by using this tool. Every blogger, YouTuber, so we have to buy these things, so it will help you a lot and you can it can save you a lot of money. Get exponential reach exposure anywhere like a post in Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, post like a blog magazine like a and here is some animated 3D blog. It will automatically attract the you will get compared to regular text or like image, it will give more like 150% more attraction compared to normal image. Like in digital marketing studies, some of the just basic animation like a water footing. These ads will give us some animation, some attention to the customer, getting customer with a confident, getting instant credibility order like a get free click leads and sales. Uh, don't be let go hurry to buy this product and you will get so much of benefit by using so like a get breaking results like never before. Social media marketers, e-commerce store owners, entrepreneurs, authority publisher, website owners, affiliate marketers, local business owner, advertiser, bloggers. For everyone, it can help you a lot. Instead of hiring any like any social media like for everything you don't require to hire any like a video editor, photo editor. We can do it manually it according to your taste, like elemental elegant creation, video trimming, dribble effect, HD clips, free traffic, dictator profile, passive income, public anywhere in cloud. For this process, what they are giving you fast action bonus, they give you automate posting, broadcasting, and syndication like a clip posting to Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn. You can personalize, you can deliver out post broadcast and distribute your video effects animation to sell any product service. You can also run predetermined schedule to you can get your hands free. You can do it free. You can automatically post in social profile by with the from this tool, and they're giving you this is the first bonus. And bonus two was like a 100 video effects pro ready HD video clips are available. You can use those video effects clips for free without paying any extra cost. And coming to the fast action bonus, like bonus three, amazing filtering special effects. Like these are some special effects you're going to get on this with this tool. And uh, fast action bonus for 100% customized combination, the sleek and smooth interface for pro quality, simplified output with a multiple layout, unlimited color formats, and your 2 days free. Captive hybrid and these are two packages are there. Get video products for 100% risk free. Here two like a light license and video effects pro license. My suggestion to go with the pro license. Do it will charge you around $29 today only, like it $27. There is only $2 difference between the Pro and Lite one. Go with the Pro one, you will get a lifetime like original price is $97. zero fee, like you will get a 29 today is only today. You can get lifetime free membership. Like with this, I will show you more details about this. Fast launching, 100-minute posting, 100 video effects pro video, amazing filtering, special 100 zero original price is $97. They're giving you a $29.95 today. Check here going you getting a lifetime free access. You can use it for lifetime. Different get notification, 100% risk free purchase. You can buy you using your credit card, debit card. This offer is valid for only few moments. Like if they're giving a 100% more 30 days money bank guarantee, 100% risk free. These are some of the information you got internet. If you are interested, yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like my explanation about this product, why I am making video on this product, this is the one of the best products to make video. They're going to sell it for $30. No other company is giving a this type of tool like a high-end, high quality great tool for $30, like around 29 plus something dollars. You're getting a lifetime free access. Remaining tools they cost you more like 100, $200. They will charge for monthly, annually. They're giving it this tool for uh, they're giving you money back guarantee, fully tried risk for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure if you want to purchase this tool, check the description for a link. So I give you the link. You can get this offer, so you can purchase for free or for purchase it for a $30, 29%. Thank you. Have a nice day.